call about getting a work from home as a data entry operator. He told me to send photographs and signature for registration purpose. After that, they send me agreement letter or acceptance letter, and I'm getting blackmailed by them. They are asking a money from me to deposit of 5,700 in case I have not completed the work. Otherwise, legal action will be taken against me. Like that, there are a lot of companies providing you online data entry, form filling, capture filling work. Initially, they take your ID proofs, and after that, they make you sign that agreement. And if you're not able to complete the work, they will demand the money on the name of cancellation of agreement, penalty, compensation, NOC, server maintenance charge. Otherwise, they will threaten you that legal notices will be hard copy will be dispatched to your given address. You have done a crime under section 73-74 Indian Contract Act or a breach of contract under IPC. You have to come to the Gujarat court. Case has been registered against you in a given court, and they themselves. You are also facing any issue, any sort of a blackmailing, threatening, harassment, message, calls, legal notice, you also receive, just WhatsApp us, get our help, save your time and money so that you can come out from the situation. You don't have to go anywhere, whether it's a police station or court, or pay any amount to them from your home only. Just contact us through WhatsApp or direct call, talk to our lawyer and get the complete solution of this problem.